In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change initials in DocuSign. Whether you're updating your initials for a fresh start or need to correct a mistake, I'm here to guide you through the process. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up correctly. First things first, you'll want to begin by opening your browser and heading over to DocuSign. Just type in the website address or search for DocuSign and then log in if you aren't already. Once you're logged onto the homepage, let's navigate to the right spot to make these changes. Next, what you need to do is find and click on Manage Profile. This option is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen under your account name. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, look for the Signatures tab. You'll find it in the panel on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on it. This is the area where you can view and edit all your existing signatures and initials associated with your account. Once you're on the Signatures page, you'll need to locate the Actions option. It should be right there on your screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with a few more options. From here, go ahead and select Edit. This is where the magic happens, letting you make the necessary modifications. After you click Edit, you're going to see a few tabs: Sign, Initials, and even more Manage options. Direct your attention to the Choose button associated with your initials to begin updating them. Now, if you want to personalize how your initials appear on documents, click Draw. This allows you to physically draw your initials on the screen. It's a simple and intuitive way to add a personal touch to your signature lineup. If you prefer using an image file, perhaps of your handwritten initials, then click on Upload. You can select an image from your computer to use instead. A handy tip: make sure your file is clear and legible for the best results. Finally, once you're happy with either your drawn initials or uploaded image, click Create to finalize your changes. And that's it. Your new initials are now ready to go and will automatically be applied to documents you sign using DocuSign. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in updating your DocuSign initials. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day!